downshift into third. Fourth. Yeah. Okay. Get up, crest this hill. Full throttle. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how fast I was going there. Oh wow. Woo! Felt pretty quick though. I gotta be honest, it felt pretty quick. I think I had more to go, but again, I was given permission by the owner to do that. So thank you. Wouldn't do that if I didn't ask. I feel that wind right there. But the bike just kind of went in. Once it's there, no, it ain't going nowhere. Nice and stable. Really good platform. And this is a non-adjustable front end. I mean, the front end is what it is. The rear has preload, and that's it. And it's kind of all you need, really, on a cruiser. Generally, again, it's not a sport bike. So I'm not dragging knee here. You know, I'm not trying to lean into the whole thing. I only have so much ground clearance as it is. And honestly, this thing is a boat. Full throttle. In sixth. Still pulling. Still pulling. Roll off. That stop sign. Oof. Ah, didn't hurt, but I felt it. Whoo. It was like 110 there. Oh god, this bike is quick. This is a quick cruiser. Yeah, this bike does not wake up until it's above 2,500 RPM. Really kicks in around 3.2. I mean, really punches. Like right here. Nope, I was wrong. I was wrong. It was about 36, 37. It really kicked me back at that point. I was holding on with one hand, just kind of twisting the throttle to see where it actually kicked. And I mean, there's a little bit there, but not a lot. Oof, nasty. Bike is so much fun. Adjust my seating position just a hair. I mean, there's only so far I can go here. I mean, well, I like the highway pegs a lot. I mean, I can actually bend my knee out. That's a nice feature. That's aftermarket, but still, it's a nice thing to have.